They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can be found in almost every ocean in the world. Where there is sea water, there are jellyfish. From warm tropical sea waters, even in cold polar waters. Jellyfish belong to the large group of Cnidaria. Cnidaria is one of the most common marine animals with more than 10,000 species. Other animals that belong to the Cnidaria family are sea anemones, corals, sea fans, and hydras. Although hydras live in fresh water, they are still related to jellyfish. The smallest jellyfish is the irukandji, with an adult size of about 1 centimeter. They are the smallest and one of the most venomous jellyfish in the world. The largest jellyfish is the lion's mane jellyfish, which can reach a size of 7 feet or 2.3 meters with tentacles as long as 121 feet or 37 meters. Jellyfish are invertebrates. That means they do not have a backbone. In fact, jellyfish don't have any bones at all. They also don't have eyes, ears, hearts, or brains. Wait a minute. Okay, there are some animals that don't have backbones. So that seems normal, but no heart or brain. So how do jellyfish survive without a heart or a brain? Although jellyfish do not have a brain or central nervous system, they do have a series of basic nerves on the surface of their tentacles. These nerves detect touch, temperature, salinity, and so on. And jellyfish reflexively respond to these stimuli. And because they have no brain, they live passively, relying entirely on their automatic reflexes. They sense light and orient themselves towards it by sensing it through light-dense cells along their backs. With these sensors, they can also sense chemicals in the water and maintain their balance. Since they do not have a brain, their movement is also limited and they rely entirely on ocean currents to navigate their habitat. Catching prey is also a matter of chance. Since jellyfish do not have a brain, they cannot actively hunt their prey. So jellyfish just wait for their prey to get caught in their venomous tentacles, then eat them. So how can jellyfish live without a heart? The main function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body, so that the body cells can get oxygen and nutrients from the blood, and then remove unnecessary substances, such as carbon dioxide. Now, what's special about jellyfish anatomy is the outer layer of their body, known as the ectoderm. The thickness of the ectoderm is only a few cells, so oxygen can easily diffuse into the jellyfish's body. Jellyfish also have a very simple digestive system, where simple nutrients are distributed throughout the body. This process of oxygen and nutrient diffusion does not require a strong pump, such as the heart, to be able to permeate the entire body. This is the greatness of the simplicity of jellyfish anatomy. In addition to relying on ocean currents, jellyfish can swim, but in a unique way. Jellyfish use a simple jet propulsion motion to swim. They open their umbrella-like bodies, then close them. By closing their bodies, the water inside is forced out, and the jellyfish can move forward. With this, the jellyfish can move to where they want. Keeping moving is the only way to keep jellyfish afloat. But despite all this effort, they can easily be carried away by strong winds or ocean currents, which is the main cause of jellyfish strandings. The top of a jellyfish is called a bell, and their jelly-like bodies are made almost entirely of water. Some jellyfish have winged tentacles, and some have long, plain tentacles. Scientists have theorized that jellyfish have been around since before the dinosaurs. Some jellyfish only live for a few months, while others can live up to 30 years. As of this writing, there are over 200 known species of jellyfish in the ocean. As previously discussed, some jellyfish have light sensors which look like eye spots that can sense sunlight and help the jellyfish know which way to go. Some jellyfish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce light from their bodies, like fireflies, or perhaps more like disco lights. While no one knows for sure why they light up, scientists believe it's a defense mechanism to startle predators or perhaps to draw other predators into attacking each other. Jellyfish bodies are mostly transparent or see-through. This makes them hard to see in the water, which may help them hide from predators looking to eat them. The main predators of jellyfish are turtles, sharks, swordfish, and even other jellyfish. Jellyfish themselves are carnivores, but they do not actively hunt their prey. They passively wait for fish or other small animals to get caught in their tentacles. Their tentacles are covered in stinging cells, which can explode and inject venom into their prey, paralyzing it. Jellyfish have also been reported to sting humans. Some jellyfish stings are merely irritating or cause minor injuries. However, some types of jellyfish, such as the box jellyfish species, can deliver a sting that can kill instantly. Jellyfish have a complex and interesting life cycle. They usually start out as eggs, floating on ocean currents. Each egg will then develop into a planula, a larva that can swim. Then, after a few days, the planula will find something solid to anchor, dive into the transformation into a polyp. This polyp is somewhat similar in shape to a flower. Polyps survive by using their tentacles to capture and eat zooplankton. Then eventually the polyps begin to grow, dividing into ephra, or immature jellyfish, which then develop into medusa, the form we know as jellyfish. Despite all the time it takes to mature, jellyfish typically live for about a year. Unique and beautiful, jellyfish may seem like calm and peaceful creatures. While some types of jellyfish are harmless and can be observed up close, some of them have deadly tentacles. Some of them are dangerous predators that can prove painful or even deadly to those who dare to approach. I hope you enjoyed this video about jellyfish. See you in the next one.